Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the new update in Adopt Me with the new flying cars and stuff, so let's get into it. So, number one, there's a new helicopter, and this one is the one from the Fossil event, the one that would teleport us to the scavenger hunt. And this one's just pretty new, looks pretty cool. Yeah. So this one's for 3,500 by Racing Monoplane and by Fossil Paw Helicopter. So in this video, I will be buying the Fossil Paw Helicopter. And yeah, let's go. Let's pick it white, and there we go. We got the Fossil Helicopter. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a rare. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Okay, so oh, that's pretty cool. Ooh, that's cool. So to descend, you need to click R, and to descend, you need to click Q to go down. R, Q. Okay, that's pretty sick. So let's just drive it around and see the little things. This is actually cool. It has really good control. Wow. And it's also, guys, limited for 12 days. So get it while you can. It's a really cool car. And also, let's see the max height on this thing. And if there's not, this is one of the best cars. Let's see the max height. Or if it even has one. Let's see. I think if you can go over the Sky Castle, yeah, there's 0 max height. Whoa, that's high. Whoa. Yeah, that's definitely over the Sky Castle by a lot. Wait, okay, now we're officially over the Sky Castle. Okay, there's definitely no max height for this. Wait, who's that following me? Wait, who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Oh, that's my sister on a shark. I'm just gonna surprise her and I'm gonna jump out. She's gonna... Uh-oh, plane crashed. Wait, where did the plane go?
Oh, it's at the park.
Wait, is that the... Oh my god, it landed all the way to the park. Okay, let's go. It's at the park. Damn, that launched far. Okay, let's test some more. I'll do that again. Sit inside, okay? And we're gonna control it. Okay, so we're gonna click R. Then we're gonna do that little fun glitch again and go even higher. So guys, this may take a while. Okay, go. So we're gonna do it to the same height that we went to. Just push it forward a bit. Okay. There we go. Now that we're over the Sky Castle, we're gonna do it again. So my sister is gonna get ready to jump. And Sarah, remember to look at the helicopter.
Okay.
We're gonna go even higher, okay?
Oh, no.
We're gonna go even higher.
I'm scared of heights.
And by the way, Sarah, we're gonna see where this one will bounce. Okay, so... Oh wait, I need to click R more. Wait, whose pet just jumped out?
No, none. Mine is Jaws.
Wait, mine jumped out.
Wait, what?
Mine's all the way down there.
Wait, where?
He's down. He landed on the mountain.
Where mountain? Is it those snow mountains?
Okay, so guys,
Oh, yeah,
3, Sarah,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Please.
Oh. Wait, Sarah, you glitched with it.
Oh my god.
Sarah, did you? Sarah, did you? What? I'm bouncing. Sarah, did you? Sarah, did you glitch it? Sarah, Sarah, did you glitch it?
No, I just blinked like.
Yeah, and Sarah, you fling the helicopter. Yeah, you fling the helicopter. Yeah, you fling the helicopter. Okay, I'm driving. See you later. by far the helicopter is actually kind of like slow. It's not like the best car that I would recommend. It's just cool to see a flying car and adopt me. That's all. It's just cool to see a flying car and adopt me. Okay, so next, now we're actually gonna try landing it. We're gonna try landing it on top of the Sky Castle and see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna land it on top of the Sky Castle. I'm gonna land it on top of the Sky Castle. Wait a sec, I need to just do something. Okay, so we're gonna get up, and yeah, we're gonna go on top of the Sky Castle side. So let's descend. Let's descend. No, cause Sarah, I can't do it right. My sister keeps on falling down when she ever teleports to me. You're on it. Okay, good. Okay, so we gotta get it just right. Oh, no. Wait. Oh my god, I can't even see it. Okay, no. Okay, you know what? Let's just jump. 3. And Sarah, we're gonna do on the Sky Castle and see what's end up happening to the helicopter, okay? We're gonna land on the Sky Castle. Okay, Sarah. We're gonna land on the Sky Castle and we're gonna see where the helicopter lands, okay? If you wanna go. Oh my god. Sarah, I landed on the top of the Sky Castle. I'm on the golden ball, Sarah. I'm looking where it is. It's in the lake.
No, it's not in the lake.
Where'd it go?
Teleport to me.
Okay. Where'd it go? Oh, it landed right next to the lake. Okay. Bye for guys. This car is really cool. So yeah. I do recommend you to buy it because it's pretty cool for transportation. You can take a lot of shortcuts. Okay, so basically, yeah, so that is the full review, and let's just see in first person. That looks pretty cool. Yeah, so that's basically the full review. Pretty cool. Yeah. It also looks really cool in first person. What the? She gave me a hot dog? What the heck? Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed. See you later.